Hello, everyone. A routine stop turns into pure chaos. Watch as deputies deploy tasers and draw service weapons in high-stakes confrontations in parking lots and on the road. One split-second decision changes everything. Which part of this situation was most intense? Let us know in the comments.
Put the gun down!
On February 6, 2024, in Sebring, Florida, Highlands County deputies spotted a Dodge Charger driven by Jaquan Hall speeding on Sparta Road. Instead of pulling over, Hall fled at over 200 kilometers per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic, making sharp turns and intentionally striking, injuring an officer and escalating the pursuit into an extremely dangerous chase. After the first collision, the vehicle was severely damaged, with the rear bumper dragging along the roadway, but he still refused to stop. Hall continued struggling to control the car as it became increasingly unstable.
Westbound speed 40 miles an hour. Traffic police. Traffic clears.
As Hall lost control and repeatedly crossed into oncoming lanes, threatening the lives of other motorists, officers were forced to execute a final pit maneuver. Jaquan Salvalis Hall, 23, was taken into custody and now faces multiple felony charges, including aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer with a vehicle, potentially carrying a lengthy prison sentence. In January 2024, in Canadian County, Oklahoma, Mason Treat, the son of a state senator, was pulled over for not having license plates. Ironically, Oklahoma law allows newly purchased vehicles to operate without plates for up to 2 months. He was fully within the law, yet police rigidity kept him stopped at a dangerous intersection.
Okay, I tell you what. I was gonna give you a written warning for the license plate. I'm not even gonna do that. I don't want to show.
Impact. Truck driver Jose Thomas fell asleep at the wheel and collided with the stopped vehicles. The consequences were devastating. Mason suffered a fractured skull and 8 broken ribs, an accident that never should have happened. More painful than the injuries was the indifference. Bodycam footage captured an officer's chilling words, "I don't care." A major lawsuit is now underway in the fight for justice. Do you think officers were indifferent by delaying medical aid for 10 minutes? November 21st, 2025, in Little Rock, Arkansas, Corporal Loftus was dispatched to assist local police in pursuing a fleeing Chevy Malibu. Instead of surrendering, the female driver ran red lights, forcing Corporal Loftus to take the lead amid heavy civilian traffic. How do you think this situation should have been brought to an end?
Little Rock 1037.
1037 at 8:15.
As traffic became severely congested, Corporal Loftus was forced to act. A decisive maneuver sent the Malibu spinning, ending the pursuit. The driver, Daviana Dean, 26, was charged with fleeing and now faces up to 6 years in prison under Arkansas law. On July 14, 2025, in Clarksville, Arkansas, Trooper Keaton Ramsey pursued a gray Chevy S10 along Highway 64. The driver, Lewis Black, fled after skipping out on a Waffle House bill and causing a disturbance. Instead of stopping to deal with it, he chose to hit the gas and run from police.
Net direct, K22 pursuit.
He made a sharp turn and plunged into a ditch. With a Class D felony fleeing charge and an outstanding warrant, Lewis Black now faces up to 6 years in prison under Arkansas law.
Going to Clarksville, try to block TVI. TVI is successful.
On August 23, 2024, in Blytheville, Arkansas, Trooper Carter Lazenby took over the pursuit of a silver Dodge Charger. Ignoring commands to stop, the suspect sped off at 75 miles per hour along South Division Street, recklessly endangering a residential area. What could he be hiding to risk everything? Contraband in the vehicle. TV eye maneuver sent the car crashing into the brush. DeMarcase Evans was taken into custody along with drugs and a firearm. Charged with a Class Y felony, he now faces up to 40 years in prison.
Get out of the vehicle now! Come to me! Hands on top of your head!
On March 12, 2021, in Nashville, Tennessee, Metro Police Officer Josh Baker stopped a Camaro after suspecting the vehicle's owner, a wanted drug offender, might be driving. Instead, the driver was Nika Holbert. What began as a routine stop escalated after the officer discovered drugs, turning the encounter into a critical confrontation.
Just bring your bag out here. Ma'am, stop going through it. Come step right back here. What did you take out of it?
Nothing. I was
Okay. All right, listen. Just come back here. I think we're getting off on the wrong foot, okay?
Because I'm really confused on why I'm getting stopped.
He's got several warrants.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me.
You don't know who's in the car.
Nobody's in my car.
Well, now I know that. However, now I'm going to address the other problems.
Okay, so you want my bag and all my belongings.
So just step right back here.
Can I use the restroom?
And you know this is being audio and video recorded,
That's
just to
fine.
let you know.
Okay.
23, if you did have one more, that would be good.
10-4, dispatch any unit near Ewing Drive and for church, Ewing Drive and for church.
Can we step back here?
21 to 23, do you need me code 3?
Negative, just code 2. So it's just in here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, was there...
Well, I'm about 5 minutes from you.
assist.
Yes. It's probably another bad week. Hey, Mom, I need you to come to out for Trinity Lane right there where Supercar is, the Dollar General.
23 to
I
25.
just got pulled over because the my name is on the car. And he wanted to know if he was in the car, leaving, not in the car. But I do got weed.
Hey, are you available?
I'm right here in the Dollar General.
We can be in a couple minutes.
Got
Pickle.
I'm from
Brick Church
Brick Church.
and
Brick
Ewing.
Church.
13, can I have you starting around? You're about 4 minutes away. Disregard, actually. Disregard on that.
You-
My lighter
yeah, I'm not done with that though. Where's your lighter at?
in the car.
13, it says you're about 7 minutes away.
I'll get it
Correction
for you in a
on that.
second, okay?
So you drive
Oh,
Brick
right there
Church
in your-
and the Dollar General. Can I have you start around to 23?
You scaring me.
Thank you.
Here, do me a favor, turn.
No, hold
Turn
on.
around.
Don't put me in handcuffs. I haven't done anything wrong.
Ma'am.
No, don't put me
You're about to get tased.
No!
Get down! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!
No! 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 I didn't do nothing.
Step out. Ma'am! Put the gun down!
I didn't do nothing.
Put the gun down! 23 shots fired! Shots fired!
Officer Baker deployed his taser, but Holbert pulled out a dangerous object. He shouted, "Put the gun down!" Holbert discharged a weapon, striking the officer, forcing him to return fire in self-defense.
10-4, 13, keep at that code 3.
"23, I'm hit."
Turn around.
Step out. Ma'am! Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
After shooting Officer Baker, Nika Holbert threw her weapon into the parking lot and fled in the Camaro. Due to her severe injuries, she only made it a short distance before losing control and crashing off the roadway at the Brick Church Pike intersection.
23, I'm hit.
Turn around.